is now encoded in light.
Fine, you have seen many Christmas trees, but did you see how they are made?
Every artificial tree still begins with something real. Nature yields to measurement. Gravity completes the harvest. Standard length becomes the first industrial rule. Bulk replaces individuality. Light begins with buried metal. Electricity's path starts in dust. Glass begins as pure grain. Plastic is born from pressure and heat. Granules become future structure. Strength is stretched into form. Protection is bonded in metal. Flexibility begins as dust. Light is given a body. Illumination is engineered at the smallest scale. Many worlds now converge. Separation ends with sealing. Now the factory calls the materials forward. The road narrows toward precision. Every arrival is measured before it is allowed.
Identity is confirmed in motion.
Mass becomes recorded truth. Volume enters the system. Wood meets steel infrastructure.
Magnetism answers mass.
Fragility claims its own rules. Forest form becomes process feed. Light is protected even before it shines.
Separate origins now move as one system.
All raw worlds now meet at one mouth.
Entry is granted only to movement.
Outside air gives way to engineered climate.
Atmosphere itself becomes regulated.
Scale is the first signature of production. People activate the system.
Dust never crosses this line.
The factory reveals its heartbeat. Granules surrender their independence. Strength stretches toward flexibility. Transparency accepts temperature.
Balance is commanded by signal.
The factory pulse begins. Raw form rises toward refinement. Light enters its birthplace. Descent initiates transformation. Water content decides future strength. Even synthetic purity must be filtered. Oil must leave before form can begin. Cleanliness is rinsed into certainty. Even invisible films are removed. Transparency must be flawless. Light is protected from contamination. Conductivity demands brightness. Dimension answers only to light. Uniformity begins at the grain. Weakness is found before it grows. Uniformity protects electrical balance.
Preparation ends where creation begins.
Human eyes still guard microscale quality.
Purity reunites with purpose. The factory is now ready to shape. Heat turns granules into flowing structure. Artificial foliage is born in liquid motion. Heat releases its grip instantly.
Color becomes permanent at the molecular level.
Moisture vanishes under invisible heat. Uniformity is sliced into shape.
Rigidity obeys pressure.
Two strands become one backbone.
Heat seals appearance to strength.
Structure settles into memory.
Measurement protects symmetry.
Chaos is reorganized by motion. One by one replaces bulk. Nature is reshaped by steel. The branch gains its skin. Fire strengthens what will carry the tree.
The center must be exact before the crown is built.
Connection points are carved for life above. The backbone of the tree takes its position. Limbs find their exact origin. Strength is fused without fasteners. Symmetry grows one angle at a time. The foundation of fullness is established. Density tapers as height rises. The silhouette is finally complete. Artificial form imitates natural reach. Memory is programmed into posture. Cold freezes the finest stance. Human touch perfects what machines align. The final outline obeys specification. Every tree must stand before it shines. The tree now stands ready for light.
Balance prepares the stage for illumination.
Power waits at the root. Energy now climbs the spine. Light is released from ordered coils. Motion weaves illumination into form. Stability is proven under force. Even glow demands microscopic accuracy. Flexibility and order reach balance. The summit receives its halo. Disorder disappears into design. Electric paths are permanently sealed. Stability is built into the root. Safety is molded into every circuit. Every pulse must complete the loop. Behavior is written into brightness.
Is now encoded in light.
Brightness is measured in temperature. Shock reveals hidden weakness.
Failure is contained before it spreads.
The brain of the tree is sealed. Light now carries its approval. Now appearance receives the final authority. Fullness returns with controlled breath. Even plastic obeys invisible force. Nothing unwanted remains. Touch comfort is engineered.
Color must remain loyal under every light.
Winter is applied in measured layers. Decoration becomes permanent.
Light now learns to dance.
Only what should stay remains. Decoration demands hidden strength.
Harsh light becomes gentle glow.
Even darkness is measured. Shape remembers what it was taught.
The outline obeys specification. Luxury still requires touch.
Appearance earns its final permission. Identity is now visible.
Fullness is measured by light.
The surface tells the first truth. Strength is proven under stress. Standing firm is not optional. Time verifies electrical honesty. Heat exposes hidden risk. Shock tests reveal endurance. Safety lives inside silence. Water challenges the seal. Protection holds under moisture. Fire reveals material discipline. Even smoke is audited. Behavior must obey code. Failure paths are engineered in advance.
Light must not disturb its neighbors.
Authority now grants passage. Validation becomes physical. Proof now travels with the product. Size is reduced without losing form. Protection becomes the second skin. Marketing prepares its container. Structure settles into shipment form. Function travels with appearance. The product is now enclosed.
Identity is verified before it leaves. Singles become logistics units.
Nothing moves without restraint.
Order rises in silent layers.
Every load now carries a digital name. Scale now shifts to storage.
Demand now pulls the product forward.
Storage returns to motion.
The road calls the product back. The tree leaves as cargo.
And this is how modern factories produce artificial Christmas trees with lights from start to finish.